importance of governance. So, as we know, the cost governance is important for cloud computing as it refers to the process of using the cloud sources efficiently. So, since cloud works on pay as you go services, so managing the resources properly is essential to avoid any unnecessary expenses and ensures the better performance. And it also that's why it is important to use cost efficiency or cost governance. Why it is important? Because simply it helps us in putting all the four policies, accountability, monitoring, and control together, as it helps in making the resource better and improving the financial decisions that are made by the organization, so that the work becomes efficient and it is aligned with the business goals of the company. So, what is the objective of cost governance? So, there are the basic objective of cost governance is transparency. So, transparency basically here means that whatever cost is applied or is used is visible to all the stakeholders, which means it they know about the cost, which is if it is increasing they know about it, if it is decreasing they will know about it. It also helps in control. So it helps in the organization to work properly or to build a better cloud service. So it provides more control and security. It is also efficient as it optimizes all the available resources, which is good for the efficiency of the cloud. It is alignment, accountable, and compliance, which basically means that, as we know, that there is a clear transparency between the stakeholders, so therefore there is accountability and there is a clear ownership. Also compliance, that means there are legal procedures that are being done so that it works efficiently. Then without cost governance, the risk that can occur are basically budget overrun. So we know that there are point of time where there is budget overrun or there is wasteful spending. So cloud help us to organize it and make it efficient so that all the resources can be used efficiently. Then mislocation of fund. There are times when mislocation of funds take place. Basically, the fund is not used at the right place or it is not used for the right purpose. So therefore, it cloud governance or sorry cost governance prevents a misallocation of funds. Then there is no there is no risk in the stakeholder risk, because everything, as we know, there is a transparency while cost governance. So all the stakeholders know about the loss and the penalty or whatever cost optimization is done. So therefore there is a less risk of that.